That's messy. That's Ronaldo creative. It's messy, Baba.
That's right. Today we're going to be playing Rocket League.